Hi, welcome to Willow, Brook, Apiary, and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. Really excited today. We are out in the Adirondacks, a favorite little pond that we like to bring a group of boys from church out to. We've got, counting myself, we've got 4 fathers, Pastor Scott and 2 other fathers and myself, and 10 boys, and we're doing a boys group hiking, camping, knife safety, just fun. And we asked them during coronavirus lockdown via a Zoom meeting, what's one thing you really want to do when we're able to? And they said, Lost Pond camping. So we're up here in the Adirondacks at Lost Pond, beautiful setting. There's 2 loons that hang out on the lake. They'll be calling all night long. There's boys fishing, swimming, and we're gonna be camping, cooking soon, and just absolutely gorgeous setup. So really looking forward to the weekend, looking forward to time with my boys and some of the other boys from the church and some of the fathers and leaders. So absolutely awesome. We've got hammocks set up, we've got tents set up, we're filtering our own water, spaghetti for dinner the one meal and ramen the other. We taught a knife safety class and a water filtration class, the importance of a whistle. I even found an Indian ghost pipe mushroom. Gonna talk to the boys a little bit about, I did talk to the boys a little bit about the medicinal benefits of this, though I'm not quite sure how to use it, so I'm gonna have to research that before we do anything with it. And a reishi mushroom, which is another strong medicinal benefit mushroom. This particular one has a bug that's been hanging out in here, eating through it. So I don't know that it still smells fresh, but I don't know that we would really necessarily use this one. There's lots of little bugs in it, little white things crawling around on the underside. But this is a polypore type mushroom, meaning it's got lots of little pores. But we've got the campfire ring, a nice little spot down to the water, just fun stuff. Apiary and Homestead, just a quick harvest video in the garden. We have our royal burgundy beans, our green beans. I made it down 1 row of green beans and burgundy beans. Found the first cucumber and the first few small beets. Might try to do some of the beet greens also. And we are gonna eat out of the garden for dinner tonight. Some hamburgers, which unfortunately are not out of the garden, and green beans, beets, and some fresh cucumber. So follow along. Tomatoes are coming soon. It's time to replant the lettuce 3rd time and replant the sweet peas. I should be harvesting some seed pods if the chipmunks haven't gotten to them first from the peas. And dill is looking like it's about ready also. So keep following along for more garden updates. Yay! Our first eggs! Look at that! They're finally paying off. Willow, Brook, Apiary, and Homestead, happy bees, healthy honey. God bless. Willow, Brook, Apiary, and Homestead, happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.